Welcome to Serverless Applications with AWS Lambda Hands-On. My name is Frank Kane, and I spent 9 years at Amazon.com as a software engineer and a senior manager. We spent a lot of time at Amazon building large-scale distributed systems, and I was there while Amazon Web Services was being created. Also with me is your co-instructor, Brian Tadjadin. Say hello, Brian.
Thanks, Frank. My name is Brian Tadjadin. I also spent about 9 years at Amazon, and I now work at Salesforce.com, so you can say I know a little bit about clouds. I've been an engineer at both places, and I've worked on everything from small widgets that showed up on the Amazon site to the APIs backing Salesforce.com.
Amazon Web Services is one of the hottest technical fields out there, and with good reason. It allows you to rent computing capacity across a wide variety of services where you only pay for what you need and leave the maintenance to someone else. You can even build an entire dynamic website using nothing but AWS services, and that's what this course will teach you how to do.
During this course, you'll create a simple chat application. It'll be a great introduction to a bunch of AWS services, many of which actually show up on the certification exams. We'll use S3, Lambda, DynamoDB, Cognito, and a few others that you may not have heard of.
You'll find this course is very practical in nature, and you'll learn by doing with a concrete example throughout the whole thing. If you're new to AWS, this is a great way to get immersed in it quickly with a fairly complex example. Brian, talk about what sort of person this course is for.
It'll definitely help if you're already familiar with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You certainly don't need to be an expert. We'll talk about the basics of the code as we go through it. But if you've never actually done any programming or scripting before, you might want to pick up a course on JavaScript. If you have done programming before, we'll talk about what's different about JavaScript compared to other programming you may have done in the past. Being new to AWS is definitely okay. We'll walk you through all of the stuff that you need to know for the services we're going to use. For equipment, you don't really need much. You just need a browser and your favorite text editor. And if you don't have a favorite text editor, we'll have a suggestion for you once we get into the course.
We're both excited to get you started in the world of AWS and building serverless applications in the cloud. So go ahead and check out the free preview lectures and hit the enroll button. We'll see you in class.